Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find supplier for TikTok shop. So if you created TikTok shop and basically you created your account on the TikTok shop, so how you can find supplier for that shop. So it is already completed. Once you complete the sign up process for the TikTok shop, the next step you can how you can find suppliers. So the first platform is Alibaba. So you need to come on to this website, and basically you can source from China from different suppliers, and you can find products really cheaper. So I'm going to search for the jewelry to show you some different stuff. So here you can see that you can find items in really cheap from here. Here you can see that you can get item from $0.69, and you can see different a lot of products. Then you need to chat with the supplier, and once you find the product that you think is good for your store, you can add onto your TikTok shop from here as well. So you can find different products, jewelry, anything, bag, something. So it is up to you. So I'm just showing you an example. So here you can find bags. So here you can see that, and let's suppose I want this, then you simply need to click on contact supplier, and you need to create your account on Alibaba, and then you contact with the supplier, and you can share your quotation, your preference with supplier, and you can get products for your shop. So this is the first platform, and the other platform I am going to show you is AliExpress, that I am used to shop to get the products for my TikTok shop. So this is the second platform that you can use, and here let me change the currency into dollar. Okay, and click on save, and you can ship to any country. So click here, and I want to ship to the US. Then see, I want dollar. Okay, and you need to click on save. Wait for a few seconds here, and now you can see that you can find different products. Like you can see that this product in 0.99 cents and $3.4, so you can find really good products in a very good price here. So that you can, here you can see that from here you can order that, and then you can use these products on your TikTok shop. So here you can see that price is really good. Okay, this is a second platform, and the third platform is Printify. So you can use this for drop shipping and printing service for e-commerce, and basically you can use this website for the different products sourcing for your TikTok shop. So you can log in, and basically they will print for you, and this is the custom website, you can see that, and print on demand, and you can use this website as well to find the products, and they will do the customization of the products for you, and then they will send to your customer that you get from your TikTok shop. So here you can see different products. So I'm going to show you some hoodies. Here it is. You need to add your design here, and here you can see all the samples, and you can find supplier from here for your TikTok shop as well. And the other platform is CJ Dropshipping. So search for that, and you can use this website as well to source the product for your TikTok shop. So here you can find different products. So I'm going for the computer and office category, for example. to show you, and here you can see that the price is really good for the listing. And let me close this. Okay, so let's suppose I want to sell this laptop stand. Select that, and here you can see that this is a product demo. You can get this video, you can see the pictures, and you can register and contact with the supplier to get in bulk for your TikTok shop. So this is the process how you can find suppliers for your TikTok shop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.